Kicks back balls at a variety of angles for throwing, pitching and fielding practice. Durable construction details, with sturdy metal frame and tough netting material. Assembles quickly and easily. Measures 2.9 wide by 4.8 tall. Top reviews from the United States. Great for the money. Another product with bad reviews but works fine if you expect what you're paying for. This thing is almost 10 times cheaper than the average pitchback net. Works well for kids, adults who throw 80 miles per hour and above. I would say get something else. I haven't thrown very hard at it, but I am not trying to test its durability either. You can play catch-all by yourself from a decent distance though. Use common sense, don't abuse the thing, and I think you'll enjoy it.